Power saving mode, or battery saver, like some manufacturers call it, is a great way to squeeze more battery life out of your phone. To turn on power saving mode, we'll first swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick settings. Within these buttons up top, you'll usually see a button with a battery icon. Tap that to turn on power saving mode. This will optimize a variety of settings on your phone to optimize it for longer battery life. Power saving mode automatically turns off when your phone is charged to a certain percentage, usually either 80 or 90% depending on your phone. If you want to manually turn it off, you'll just repeat the same steps through the quick settings. If your phone is missing the icon for power saving mode, you can usually add it. Open your quick settings and then tap the little pencil icon on the top of your screen. Then tap Edit. You'll see all the buttons on the bottom of your screen that aren't currently included in your quick settings. Tap a button to add it, and you can also tap, hold, and drag the buttons to organize them to your preferred order. Once you're done, just tap Done in the top right corner, and your changes will be saved. There's also a way to do this through your settings. Go to Settings and scroll down to Battery. Here you have a toggle for power saving, and you'll see how my screen instantly goes dark when I turn it on. It's part of optimizing my phone for lower power usage. If I go to the power saving menu, I can see all the different parts of power saving efforts, and I can even customize it from here. Power saving mode will reduce your CPU speed, decrease brightness, reduce display motion smoothness, turn on dark mode, etc. On some models, you'll also see an extreme power saving mode, which will limit your phone's functions even more. Mine doesn't have it, but that's a solid option where you really need to stretch out those last remaining few percent as long as possible. Click the like button if this helped, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe on your way out.